Are you ready to buy this car, Reed? Come on, man. Come on.
Great.
Welcome to the video, by the way. Alright guys, so we're here at the closest gas station since it's got light. Now we bought this in the dark, so that doesn't seem like a good idea, but when you come across one, you gotta get one while you still can. We wrestled ourselves up a fresh one here, no, not even rust on it. But as you can see, just a primered, solid, barely any surface rust even. King Cobra. Interior is dirty, but there. Got T-tops. Alright guys, now we got it home and out in the daylight. It's time to clean it up, do some checks under the hood, check our fluids and whatnot, and get this thing ready to drive it a little bit. So we got the car safe to drive now, but before we head out, we thought we'd clean out the trunk and the interior and some other things before we hit the road. Alright guys, so we wanted to make sure that we check the trunk before we head out on the first test drive, because you know, you don't want stuff flying around in there, and it's always fun to see what's in there. Here's all what we found in the trunk. We got T-tops, extra T-tops, extra gauge cluster, some trim pieces, and new taillights.